There's been many things said on Facebook this year. On the beaches, they were happy. They were having fun. It was lovely. It was great. It was the aftermath that was so sad. When I drove home and it was, making love in the bushes and all that, well, fine, carry on. It doesn't matter to me if they want to do that. But the dirt was terrible. I really didn't mean it to be nasty and horrid, and I've put an apology on. I've put an apology to say that I didn't mean it personally to anyone. It's just a general, I've worked with blacks. I'm kind. I give them, I help them, all of them. They all like me, accept me, joke with me. Not that I recall putting it like that. I just recall saying that there were so many black people that it was like the monkeys are. They're like monkeys dropping rubbish everywhere, and the streets and everything was bad. But I made the mistake by comparing them with our monkeys are cute. They are cute, but they're naughty, and they but they don't see them as cute, naughty little things. What can I say? I suppose they have to say that. They're looking after their people. They've got blacks that support them, Indians, they've got everyone, and they're trying hard.